Hey guys, and welcome to another episode. So already I'm doing more maintenance on my Saab 9.3 Aero wagon. So after I got done with the clutch replacement and all the work I did, I started driving the car every day. And I noticed that when the car is hot, if you kind of put the engine under load at low RPMs, it'll kind of shudder. So I think it's misfiring, although I'm really surprised that it's not throwing any codes. But anyways, to alleviate that, I got some new spark plugs and coil packs to go ahead and put in, which I'm actually kind of surprised how expensive they are for this car. Actually, for 6 spark plugs and 6 coil packs, it was more money than what I did for my 911. The OEM Saab spark plugs are like $11 a piece, which is ridiculous. And the coil packs are pretty expensive too, although those kind of are always that way. But anyways, it should be a pretty easy job, at least for the front side. It's right here. The back side is a little bit more challenging because you have to remove the ECU and a bunch of wiring to get at the coil packs. I'm probably not going to do too in-depth of the how-to because I looked and there's like 8 million videos out there. The other thing I have to do is I noticed the first time I drove this car in the rain, I guess the person that had painted this car previously, when they took the wiper arms off, they put them back on the wrong side. So the first time I turned the wipers on, the arms crossed and ripped both the wiper blades off. And then it slipped some of the linkage, so the linkage was all out of alignment. So I've got it working with one wiper right now, and I had to go get the correct wiper blade lengths, or correct new wipers, because one of the clips fell off when they crossed. So I got the new wipers, so I should be able to get everything back together there too. And then also I forgot, ever since I did the clutch replacement, I've just been running distilled water in here. So it's probably gone way over time for that, so I'll go ahead and put coolant, or drain the water out and put coolant in it. So to get started, I'm just going to remove the negative terminal of the battery just because I'm replacing the ECU, and I don't want to short anything out back there and ruin my ECU because I'm sure those are not cheap. Also, I think that's a really dumb design to have the ECU strapped to the back of the engine, but I'm not going to blame Saab for that because that's the Chevy part of this as far as the engine goes. But with that, let's get to it. Unfortunately, the radiator drain valve on my car doesn't work, so this is what I have to resort to in order to drain the coolant. Hey guys, so this is a wrap on this episode. Went pretty smoothly, a few hiccups here and there. I mean, it's definitely a pretty easy job to do. That backside of the engine definitely shouldn't be that difficult, but it is what it is, definitely doable. I think you could probably do the start to finish in like an hour and a half. Ran into a few hiccups with the ECU connector on mine, but got everything sorted out. Then moved ahead and finished the coolant flush, put the wiper back on. And I feel like there's something else. Oh, my headlight sensor that was messed up. My headlight level sensor has been messed up since I did the clutch replacement. So I don't know, I cleaned that connector and put it back on. So hopefully that'll fix it. If not, maybe I need to dig into that a little bit more. But yeah, I hope you guys like this episode. And hopefully now I could say that it's 100% mechanically and going forward we'll work on the aesthetics. I'm kind of torn on what to do with the struts. I mean, they're definitely good. They're not, the car's not like bouncing or anything. There's the one thing is like when the window's open, I can hear the passenger side top mount bearing, but like normal driving or with the windows up, I can't hear it. So I feel like it's a matter of time before they need to get done, but I guess I don't need to rush to do it. But yeah, all right, stay tuned next time. Probably gonna be doing road trip reps on the 911 next time. Anyways, thanks for watching guys, bye.